In 2021, the Ottawa Board of Trade and Ottawa Business Journal will resume an event series called Women, Wine, and Wisdom. The event was created years ago to inspire conversations about women in leadership, work-life balance, and gender equity issues. This event is known for real conversations with real women. Because of the pandemic, the sixth ever Women, Wine, and Wisdom event is themed Staying Strong. One of our event sponsors is Man Lawyers LLP. I'm pleased to be joined by Heather Austin-Skaret, co-managing partner of Man Lawyers LLP. Welcome, Heather.
Thank you, Michael. I appreciate it.
As we kick off, Heather, I'd love to get to know you a little bit better. Tell me a bit about yourself and Man Lawyers.
Well, I'm a Maritimer. I moved to Ottawa in 1990, did my law degree here, articled with what was then Gold Gulliver. Then it became Gold Gilbert Mann. So our firm has survived various changes. And under the current leadership, myself and my partner, Andre Martin, are co-managing it. We have 5 partners. We're about a 75-member law firm between lawyers and staff.
And Heather, I'm sure the pandemic's been a challenge for all types of business, including law firms, by the way. Tell us about how Man has been coping with the pandemic.
Wow, that's a loaded question. As an essential service, we have been operational since this thing started. I was on March break with my kids and a number of other families, and my partners were here holding the fort. So we have moved through adding plexiglass, sanitizing, containment rooms, limited staff in the office, signing clients in our side yards, doing whatever we could to set up home offices and get ourselves ready to continue to serve our clients, not really understanding how long it was going to take at the get-go.
Wow, that's a lot of adjustments and a lot of evolution for a law firm. And of course, law firms are very complex entities with all the privacy concerns and IT. So great that you've been able to pivot like that. Heather, as you referenced just a minute ago, Man is one of Ottawa's largest top 10, according to the Ottawa Business Journal Book of List, top 10 law firms in terms of number of lawyers and support staff, about 75 people, as you indicated, and likely hundreds of clients, if not thousands. How are you coping? You're co-managing partner. How are you coping personally as a female business leader in a time of economic upheaval?
One step at a time, and with lots of great support. We have an awesome group of lawyers and an awesome group of staff, and we all have really strong families. So no matter what the challenge is thrown at us, and pandemic has been a big challenge, we've been pulling together as a firm, as a family, and trying to make sure we all have the support we need to continue servicing our clients.
That's excellent, Heather. One of the things that the pandemic has highlighted is some of the underlying disparities in our society, and particularly as they relate to women, by the way. In fact, as part of Women, Wine, and Wisdom, RBC will unveil some research where it's suggesting the pandemic has created something they call a she-cession, as in she recession. I'm curious, do you see any evidence of this either in your professional life or personal life when you're observing on what is this week, month 15 of the pandemic?
Yeah, there's it's hit all of us, but I think it is fair to say that women have been shouldering perhaps a larger burden than perhaps some of the men. Depends on the situation you find yourself in. My partnership is made up of 3 females and 2 males. A number of our lawyers are female, and the majority of our staff are females. A lot of our clients are females. They run small businesses. They are employees. They are employers. They are people who need their wills done. They are people who are caregivers. It's very challenging for women, I think, even before the pandemic, to manage both children, families, work, careers, aging parents, and the pandemic has only exacerbated those issues for us. So what do? Women are women. We don't give up. We try to find a solution. And so we work with our teams, we work with our families, and we overcome because there's no other option.
Heather, some great insights today. We're looking forward to the upcoming Women, Wine, and Wisdom that's coming up on May 27th. As you have a crowd of women business leaders, any knowledge or wisdom that you would like to impart to them?
Keep talking, share. We find support amongst each other. Solutions will come from the conversations, which is why it's so great that these organizations hold these events, and will continue to do so. It'll be nice when we can actually do them face to face instead of virtually, but at least we're doing them.
I'm looking forward to that too. Heather, thanks so much for your time today. Wishing you continued success at Mann Partners. Thank you for your support of this event, and please stay safe.
Appreciate it, Michael. Stay safe as well. Thank you.
Bye-bye.